You're gonna put some more wood chips in there?
Yeah.
Alright, one more load, alright? Then we gotta go in and get ready for nap. But we'll show Bubba and Jetto on video what we've been working on. You gotta set our dump up. That may be a little far away. You may want to get a little closer to your excavator. Oh, you want to be just like the construction workers? Yeah, there you go. Get it nice and close.
Yeah. Okay, I get on it.
And then get a big scoop of dirt. Oh, very nicely done, sir. You want to do one more load? You gotten good at that, man. You know how it works and everything. Who gave that to you? Bubba and Jetto, huh? And Christy? Can you look up and say hi?
Hi.
Hi.